Services offered by AWS versus services offered by Azure. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja, and in this video we will discuss about the services which is offered by AWS and the similar services is offered by Azure. So let's discuss. For the compute, Amazon has a service called EC2 instance, and the similar service in Azure is virtual machines. For the serverless platforms, Amazon offers you the Lambda function, and similar service in Azure is functions. Now let's talk about the database. Amazon offers the RDS instances and Azure offers SQL databases. This is the similar services. Amazon for NoSQL databases provides DynamoDB and Azure provides the documentation. Now let's talk about the network. Amazon offers VPC, that is virtual private cloud, and Azure offers you the virtual networks. For managing the traffics, AWS offers you Route 50 and Azure offers you Traffic Manager. Now let's talk about logging and the scheduling. Amazon offers you CloudWatch, and similar service in Azure is Application Insights. Now for storage, Amazon offers S3 and Azure offers blob storage. In terms of notifications, it provides the services SNS, that is simple notification service, and Azure provides you the notification hub. I hope this video is very beneficial for you, in which we compared the services being offered by the Amazon versus the services being offered by the Azure. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment in the below section. Thank you.